I gotta see where he's casting. Let's go. Shine it out there.
Shine it out there, way out there.
I can't even see. No, here. He was like,
it's on the bird. That's where it's at.
So you. He
caught
a bird.
He caught a bird.
Oh my God!
You're lying.
Yo, where's the camera? He caught a bird. Yo, watch out! He caught a bird, bro. This man caught a bird. Hold on. Yo,
he caught a whole goose.
He caught a bird. He cast it and caught a bird, bro. Oh my God. I hope the GoPro is getting this, bro. I hope the GoPro is getting this. This man is reeling a bird in. He's reeling a bird in. He literally cast it out and hit the bird. Oh my God.
Hey, bird was on the wall.
It was on the wall. You hit him on the wall. Oh my God, bro. I've never seen that. I hope we got footage of this. I hope it's good. Oh my God, he's reeling a bird in right now. Look, the bird is on top of the water. Shine it on the bird, bro. What are you doing? Shine it on the bird. You see him out there? He's out there. That's the bird right there. Yo, we got a bird, bro. We got a bird on the live stream. Yo, bring him in. Bring the bird in. Yo, there's a bird. Where is it at? Hey, shine the light on the bird.
He's fighting.
Nah, the hook's already in him. That's a bird right there. Nah, the bird already got a hook all the way through him. Yo, you guys see the bird right there? He's running. We hooked a bird on a cast. This man hooked a bird on the cast, guys. Hold up, bro. Hold up. Yo, hold on. Hey, where you going? You got to get it on the live stream, bro. Bring him over here. We got a net. We'll scoop him out in the net. I can't get him from the net over there. Nah, I can't see him that good. Bring him all the way to the net. We got a net. Oh, man, don't start crapping out on me now, TikTok. Don't crap on me now. We got a bird. This man casted straight into a bird, man. Can you believe this? Look at this guy. I was like, you can't cast it past the wall. He hit it at the wall. He didn't cast past it. He hit it right on a bird, bro. Right on a bird. Watch, he get like 100-pound catfish hit that bird on top of the water. That'd be the most epic catch of the year, bro. Like, my man caught a bird, and then he hit 100-pound catfish. Yeah, he caught a bird, bro. We're trying to help him. We're not trying to kill it. Hold on.
He's not hooked, though. He just caught on the line.
Oh, bro. Oh, you caught a geese? What is it, a geese? A goose? A goose? Oh, man. Hold on, guys. Yo, here we go right here. Look. Shine the light, Anwar. You're the worst light shiner in the world. There we go. Oh, he got it. He snapped the line. Oh, you better hope he don't got the weight. He snapped it. Oh, damn. Damn, what time?